enjoying it. In fact, I love each and every session that we had so far. Like, I learned from each session, like, a lot to learn, a lot to take it in, and a lot to practice as we go by. But Simone and Pablo's training was excellent. John Size was very good. John Toublaris is very good. Like, it's like, I cannot discount any one of them. All of them seems to be very, very good. A lot of learning things to do, and like, a lot to take it in, and I hope that's my performance going to reflect on that coming days.
Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.